All right, guys, we're at Lake Calhoun. There's another spot we were looking at right down to our left here, but there's as we were setting up, some dude pulled up, so we're just casting down a little bit. I've got a chatterbait running right now. Oh, yeah. I think I'm on here. Oh, he let it go, I think. Damn, Joey, I was on. Yep, we got one. Let's go, boys. Finally. Let's go. Let's go. There he goes. Let's go. Right away? Joey's on. There we go. Little bass. That's good luck right there, bro.
Nice bass.
Oh, I think I'm on too. I think I'm on too. I think I'm on too.
Double hookup.
I'm on too.
Let's go. Oh, I have the whole thing. Look at my face. Look at my face.
2 in a row.
Fucking aggressive.
He ate that boy too. There we go. Another one. Joy, you grab your fish, bro.
Dude, I got this guy fucked up. Look at it. Okay, there we go.
Let's go. 2 in a row. Back to back, bro. Wait, hold on, let me get a picture. That's gonna be the thumbnail right there. Oh,
Damn, bro.
come on, bro. There he goes. Good shit, bro. Yes. All right, well, we switched spots here. We were catching on the other side, but we just decided to move. It was getting a little dry at that other spot, so. But yeah, we're on the aisles now, just a different side. The lakes do connect still. So we'll see. A little bit less weeds over here, but you can see they're like tall. I said DNR. That guy right there. Yeah. Make sure I got my license.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I got my license. Is this twice in a row now?
I checked you somewhere. I don't know where.
Corey.
Where was it?
At Corey Lake.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Was it you too? You
Yep.
guys, yeah.
Yep.
Nice.
2 times in a row. Yeah, we caught some on the other side though.
Cool.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's good.
Well, we can't keep them.
What? Where were you?
The bass.
Yeah, not a lot of people
Yeah.
keep bass this time
No,
of year.
we don't want to keep them.
Especially from this lake.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
there's some big ones in here for sure.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Where are they catching?
Usually like this whole stretch right here. I see people get them on the other side of that bridge.
Okay. Yeah, there was people already over. That's our spot over there, and we got there, and there was a guy already over there.
Otherwise, I tried the other bridge
Okay.
over this way.
Okay.
The one that goes right leads kind of to Cedar Lake.
I think I know where that is.
You can stand right
Just
by
like further down this
yeah,
way.
further that
Okay,
way.
okay,
You
okay,
have
okay.
to- If you guys want to walk, you just walk this way. But if you drove, just drive around the lake, and then it ends up right there. So that's another good spot for bass.
Sounds good.
Kind of, pike and panfish and stuff.
Sounds good.
All right, guys.
Perfect.
See ya.
You too. Thank you. Well, that was funny, guys. We ran into the same DNR officer that pulled up on us at Quarry Lake when we were fishing for trout. So that was funny right there. But yeah, same guy. That's funny. I don't know. I was gonna ask him maybe if he's like one of the main guys, but it might just be a coincidence that we ran into the same guy twice. So kind of cool though. All right, we're at a new spot. We just seen a little fish, bass right there. Joey, big bass right here. Big bass right there, Joey. Holy shit. Oh, he's scared. Oh, that is a big bass. So we ended up staying at the spot for a little bit just because we seen some fish swimming by. We didn't end up having any luck, and at this time it was starting to get pretty Big
warm.
bass over here, I seen him.
As it was getting to be in the middle of the day. So we decided to go to a different spot, and this next clip that you're going to see is going to be the last spot that we fished for the day. We were doing a little bit more sight fishing there. We could see, I think, at least one clear bed for some bass. But like I said, it was a little bit later in the day, and they just seemed uninterested in at least what we were throwing out there. So, all right, guys, we're on the dock now. When we pulled up originally, there were some people over here. It's supposed to be a big bass that likes to hang out over here. So hella fish.
Let's just stock the shit out of it. We'll grow that back. That bass hasn't been 15 years.
Where? Where? Holy shit. Holy shit. Dude. Am I getting the video of it right now? They're defending their bed, bro. I think I need to throw on the... Holy shit, bro. Joey, there's one right there on the bed, and there's another one right there.